I'm Hannah, this is Galileo, and we're going to be talking about the unique adaptive anatomy of the veiled chameleon. Chameleons are unique even among other reptiles, from their specially adapted hands, prehensile tail, color-changing abilities, lightning-fast tongue, 360-degree vision, and for veiled chameleons, this tall casque upon their head. To the side of me here, you can see a diagram of the vertebrate arm. We have the humerus, the ulna, the radius, the metacarpals, the carpals, and then the phalanges. Now, most reptiles have 5 digits, so 5 phalanges, and veiled chameleons are no exception, but theirs are special because they have fused into 2 toe pads. So the 2 outside toes have fused to form a forefoot, and the 3 inside have fused to form a hind foot. So you can see here his hands are kind of mitten-like. And these function like our thumb and forefinger, so they're perfect for grasping onto branches. Now, chameleons also have a sort of 5th limb, and that is their tail. It's prehensile and is very important in stabilization while they're climbing through the treetops. And unlike some other lizard species, veiled chameleons cannot regrow their tail. So you can see here Galileo's tail is not full length. He suffered from a bout of tail rot before I got him, and it never grew back. Perhaps the most well-known adaptation of the veiled chameleon is the ability to change the color of their skin. Now, it's a common myth that they change their color to blend in with whatever surrounding they're in, and although their green color does help them to blend into the vegetation where they live, the actual act of color changing serves to get across short-term motivational information, like aggression between males or showing readiness to breed with a female. The extent to which a specific chameleon brightens their colors can give information about that chameleon's morphology, particularly bite force and level of aggression. It was found that chameleons with brighter, yellower stripes were more likely to approach a challenging male. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour, extending to more than twice the length of their body, and packing a punch of 14,000 watts of power per kilo, the tongue of the veiled chameleon is one of the most impressive muscles in the animal kingdom. Their saliva is 400 times more viscous than that of ours, ensuring that anything that they strike with that tongue is coming back into their mouth. It was also found that their tongue is less thermally dependent than the rest of the muscles in their body. This adaptation would ensure that they can still continue to hunt even in lower temperatures. All of these adaptations together make the veiled chameleon the perfect sit-and-wait predator. One of the most memorable parts of a chameleon's anatomy are its eyes. They can move independently from one another, ensuring that Galileo here has 360-degree vision. One of the most interesting parts is that they can switch between monocular and binocular vision, meaning Galileo can choose to see out of one eye independently or both eyes at the same time. Lastly, and the adaptation most unique to the veiled chameleon, is the casque upon its head. This cone-shaped structure is for collecting water. Veiled chameleons are native to the high, dry plateaus on the border of Saudi Arabia and Yemen, so they don't get a lot of rainfall out there. So at night, dew will condense on top of his casque here, and the contours on his face will trickle it down into his mouth where he can drink it. All in all, the veiled chameleon is one unique lizard. Thanks for watching.